Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk about TV Profits. Now this is due to be released by Seyi Adeleke on Monday the 7th of November at 10 AM Eastern. Now this is a product that claims it can make you lots of money by actually building a TV channel similar to Netflix or Amazon Prime, and they're claiming they're making around $489 per day. We're going to look into that claim, and also as usual we're going to take a look inside. I'll show you exactly what this software is going to give you. Hey guys, just let me interrupt for 1 second. I got a great recommendation for you. I'm going to show you how you can build a real business online literally for the price of a pizza. This is the exact method that I use to get started online, and I use this method every single day. What I want you to do is jump down into the description. You'll see a link just like this. Go and click on this link over to this page. Now this page is going to start introducing you to a product called the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is going to teach you step by step how to start a business and get traffic over to your affiliate offers in any niche. It really is a very simple method. You can get started with it straight away. Fill in your details here, just your name and your email address here, give me a consent, and then go ahead and click the get started box and you'll be brought over to this page here. As I said, this is literally the price of a pizza. It's going to teach you how you can start using a real method to get traffic, the same method I use every day. And I'm telling you what guys, you never have to show your face, you never have to be on camera. All you need to do is follow the tutorials here step by step, and you can start building a business as soon as today. I would jump over here guys. There's 50 free done for you niches you can get stuck into straight away. Lots of options, and again, it's the way that I started out online, so I highly recommend this method. Thanks for taking the time to watch this very quick recommendation. Let's get back to the review. So guys, as I said, this is a one-click app that launches your own TV channel. You can start your TV channel immediately, zero audience required. You're going to tap into their 443 million viewers. Okay, we have 490 live TV channels, 34 beta testers have made $206,000 so far. We're going to look into this beta testers claim as well. Newbie friendly, no tech skills, usual stuff, right? So we're going to jump straight inside. Now I've seen products like this before. In fact, this could even be a re-release of a different product, because I've seen a very similar interface like this before. Now what you're going to do basically is build this. This is a website where there's a couple of plugins in here that allow you to bring clips of other videos and latest films over to a dashboard and then display them on a dashboard, as well as YouTube channel type clips as well. Now what you will find is this isn't a real movie site at all. This is just basically a bunch of clips taken off movies and put on this site, similar to what something like IMDb is, which you might as well just go to IMDb than come over to a site like this. But this is what this is. As you can see, all these images are really horrible and squished. It doesn't look too great. And if you go and press watch now on this Enola Holmes, funny enough I watched this last night on Netflix. Basically you come over to this Netflix piece. If you press play here, you're just going to come over to a clip of Enola Holmes, the actual movie itself, and that's it. You don't actually see the movie in any way. And if I actually want to go and buy this movie, what it's going to do is it's going to send me over to Amazon, which is where they're saying you're going to make your money on here by actually going ahead and joining Amazon as an associate. So I come over here and I come over to click on this Amazon link, and in this case, because the movie's out on Netflix, there isn't any kind of movie for sale on Amazon at the moment. It's going to give you these books instead to try and buy, and you'll get a very small percentage of this sale if somebody comes through all of that funnel and actually buys this book. Now there is other examples of these movies on here. We'll just go to a different one on here. Let's see this one, The Woman King. Again, it's been released. All this is a clip of the actual Woman King, and I go over here and I press full movie on here, and it's going to come, in this case it's going to give me the DVD and an option to buy the DVD. But again, you're going to get a small price if somebody goes through that funnel. So that's the way that they're monetizing this. They're also saying that there's some movies on here that you can get through Google Ads, and you can put banners on here and have Google Ads running. There's a banner up here. Look, if I press on this banner, it's going to give me, actually it's not linked to anywhere in this case, but it should be taking me over to some random product. That's another way that they're saying you can monetize this site. Now we'll just go back to the actual dashboard. All you have here is a channel, and you can go ahead and create your channel. You can give it a name like this. You can choose a channel logo, and you can go ahead and just pick a niche and then press next. And You can either search live videos of movies, you can go ahead and search some movies there, and you can go ahead and publish the site itself. That's the way that you do a channel. It's pretty easy to do. If you want to monetize it, you go to banner ads here. You can go and put a set of banner ads up here. You have on video banners. You can add a banner to the actual video itself. You have these button ads. Again, you can add some buttons to the video, and you have Google ads here. Now this is where you're going to start putting your AdSense code in here. You're not going to get approved to get AdSense on this site. Very unlikely. Nobody's going to come over to this site anyway. There's no traffic to this site, which I'll go into, but this is where you put your AdSense code. Just one thing on the AdSense code, actually. When you get told you can make a lot of money from Google AdSense, you need to come over to something called the Google AdSense calculator, which is quite a nice little tool that I've used in the past to demonstrate how much AdSense you can actually make off certain websites. Now these are monthly page views up here. This is set at 50,000. So if I had 50,000 monthly page views, I could potentially get $3,000 worth of ad revenue. So just remember how many page views that actually is. It's 50,000 page views. So it's a lot of page views that you need to get. And obviously it all depends on the category and the niche you're in. So if you're in North America, for instance, and you're looking at computer and electronics, I'll get $5,000 worth of ad revenue with 50,000 page views. But you do need a lot of page views. Now they're claiming they're making $400 a day. That's a very, very small percentage of Amazon revenue, around about 3% a time. Plus they're saying they're using AdSense to make money, which is going to need a lot of visitors and a lot of sales to make real money out of this. But just to show you that you do need a lot of visitors to get Google AdSense. Now if I come back to the actual software again, you have the ability to go viral, they're saying. So how can I go viral? Well, I can share my link, which is this link here, to multiple random social media sites. Now, if you haven't got any viewers on social media, if you haven't got any followers on social media, nobody's going to see this link. You're probably going to get the link banned anyway, because half these social media sites don't even like links. But even if you have, you need to have people on the social media sites. Nothing's going to go viral, which is a problem with these types of sites. One, they're very low quality, but in essence, two, the fact that you have no traffic coming to them means you're going to get no sales anyway, irrespective of what you put up or what movie clips you put up or what random YouTube videos you add to the site. It doesn't matter, because you're not going to get any traffic over to the site. Another side to this is this Add Me. You can do this anyway. You can just go on to addtoany.com, which is on the web. You can sign up for your own account on here and put this on anything. But half of these things aren't even social media sites. They're things like Skype. Print Friendly is on here. Trello is a project management type solution. Most of these aren't even sites that you would share things on anyway. But there you go. That's their first option. And then the other one is something I've seen before, which is this weird software that they like you to become part of, which again is building posts and then sending them off to Twitter, Tumblr, Vimeo, Reddit and Telegram, which again is kind of a so what, because you've got no traffic in those places. So you can post what you want, but nobody's going to see it. But there you go, guys. That's just my view on these social media sharing type platforms. They are not very good. Next up, we've got this banner designer. Again, if you've seen my reviews before, you've seen this piece of software 1,000 times. It's just a very, very simple image creator. You can do that on Canva if you want to. Then you've got the ability to upgrade into these various upgrades. I'll go into that in a second. Got some tutorial videos here, and then you got the support desk, and that's really it. At the end of the day, guys, what you're doing here is you're trying to make money by producing sites like this. You just do another random one, and it's just nonsense. These aren't real movies. These are just movie clips. It's going to send you off to Amazon to try and get them to buy something. They're not going to be happy with that, because by the time they've done that, they might as well just go to Amazon and join Amazon. And when you think of things like live shows, all these is just random YouTube videos. That's it. So I'm not impressed with this. I think it's a little bit of nonsense software. And again, look at this banner up here. It's all squished and horrible. If we come back to the sales page, let's have a look at some of this proof. Now, apparently they're making absolute fortunes in this. What dashboard this is, I'll never know. It's just random graphics put up here. But when you come down to here, they're using false testimonials again. These are AI images. That's an AI image. That's an AI image. I've seen these 1,000 times on sales pages. They're completely made up. They're not real people. This one here, Daniel Watson from Sydney, Australia, is also showing up here on this East West Health site. And there he is. If if you can see that, I'll actually make this bigger now. He's called Noah L. So he's either called Noah L or he's called Daniel Watson. Which of course, guys, we know he's called neither, because this is made up. These are graphics. Nobody's making money off this. If they were making as much money as they claim, why can't they prove it? Why can't they show you one example of it? It's all nonsense. Guys, the OTO is very, very simple here. There's pretty much no information about these on any pages. The front end is $19. The OTO 1, the unlimited, is $67. There's a DoneForYou version, $297. Automation, OTO 3, is $47. OTO 4, Swift Profits. OTO 5, Limitless Traffic. Again, I'll say this again. If they can get Limitless Traffic, why would they ever need a affiliate to try and promote this for them? Why would they need those folks? If they can get a limited traffic, why would you give 50% of your commission to other people? So that's nonsense. Franchise edition here, and then multi-income edition here. I don't advise you to get any of this stuff, guys. If you want to make money with videos, I talked about a method that I use every single day earlier. Go and jump on that. It's the price of a pizza. Seriously, guys, that's a real method for making money online. This is nonsense. This is a piece of shiny object software that isn't even that good, that's going to give you absolutely no value, and all you're going to do is waste your time trying to build a site and no traffic to it. You won't get any money, and this will just end up dusty on your computer and you'll have no success with it. I hope that is of value to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, as I advised you earlier, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online, hit the link in the description below and we'll get started today. Until next time, guys, take care.